What's up, how you all doing? Welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows 10/Windows 11. Let's begin. First, make sure to update your machine, then open your favorite browser. In my case it's qemu open source. Then type the domain virtualbox.org to avoid any phishing or malware clone websites. You're gonna land on this page. You're gonna see a big blue download button. Click on it. You're gonna move to this page and choose Windows host. Then wait for the download to get done. It's 100 megabytes, not too much. Now run the X file. This window gonna pop up. Click on next. Click again on next. If you wanna change something here, you can change it yourself. Like you can change the location too. So yeah, click on next and click on yes. So if you have some download over there, you know what I'm saying, make sure to get everything done and then press on yes. Now click on finish. And just like that, VirtualBox is installed.